Alright, we're launching and doing a few circles to ensure everything's working correctly. Okay, everything looks great. Let's go this way. Let's follow a path along the cliffs toward the sea. Let's go cinematic view, so you can enjoy the ride better. In the distance, you can spot a bunker perched on top of the cliffs. It looks stunning, so let's circle around it before continuing on our flight. Now we're about 1.5 kilometers out, cruising at 80 kilometers per hour. We're climbing steadily, and soon we'll hit the top speed of this flight, probably around a 116 kilometers per hour. Yep, we're already pushing 90. We've reached 1.6 kilometers. So let's turn back now. Let's follow the edge of this cliff for a bit, then dive straight down onto that beautiful beach. Surfing along this cliff edge is absolutely stunning. On the way back, let's drop a bit lower and cruise along the cliff edge by the water. We're 7 minutes in, with a total distance of 8.5 kilometers. We've still got plenty of juice, but let's not drag the video out too long. Time to head back. Another stunning flight, cruising along these amazing cliffs. We're back at the starting point, with a total distance of 9.5 kilometers. It was super nice, as always. Until next time.